Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make instant pot carnitas. For ingredients, let's check down below. So carnitas is made with pork. So here I have a pork shoulder, boneless. I have about 4 pounds here. So now the first thing that you want to do, I'm going to season this with salt and pepper first. Now you want to season this, use your hand, just massage a little bit so all the seasoning, which is salt and pepper, is on any of the sides. For the seasoning, you will need salt, pepper, chili powder, onion powder, dry oregano, cumin powder, orange juice, about 1 cup, lime juice, half a cup, and Pilsner or lager beer. But now, if you don't like beer or you don't have beer, you can use or substitute the beer using chicken stock. And then coriander for garnish. Now, you know all the ingredients that we need. Now, let's start cooking. The first thing that you guys need to do is to brown your pork. So I'm using a frying pan over here because in my opinion it's faster. But let's say you don't want to do a lot of dishes, you can use the saute settings in your instant pot. So now we're gonna wait until the oil is hot. When it's hot, we're gonna brown on this frying pan. Like I told you guys, if you don't want to do a lot of dishes, then you can use the instant pot using saute setting. Now, as you can see, they're all nice and browned and evenly, both sides. So now you can put it in your instant pot. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to deglaze the pan with the beer. I'm going to add the beer. And then just scrape the bottom of your pan. Make sure you scrape all of the goodies on the bottom of your pan. Now, my bottom of the pan is pretty clean. I'm gonna add the seasoning. For the seasoning, like how much you need for the seasoning, please check our description box and you will see how much you need for the seasoning. So just add the seasoning, mix them. Lime juice, and then orange juice. Mix them up. And I'm gonna pour all this liquid inside our instant pot. So you need just to put the liquid inside. So put everything inside the instant pot after you do all the steps, just to make sure every single piece of meat is touching the liquid. So now we're gonna close our instant pot. For our instant pot settings, what you need to do, you just need to press on meat. Make sure if it's on high or more. If you need to adjust, you can adjust it to your liking, but what we like is more. And then for the time, we will need about 60 minutes. We're gonna just leave it over there and we will be back in 60 minutes. So after we cook on instant pot for 60 minutes, you want to do natural release for about 15 minutes, then you can release all the remaining steams. Now, after everything is done, I shredded my pork. I have my leftover juice. So now this is an optional. You can do it or you can just serve it like this. It's still all good, but let's say if you want to make a little bit color of it, so what you need to do, put your oven on broil. After you shred, just get a little bit of the remaining juice and then just put it over. So we're gonna broil this inside the oven for about, let's say 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your oven. So always check, times to time, some oven take more than 2-3 minutes. So the purpose of giving this liquid is pretty much not to dry your meat. Now we can put it in the oven. Now the carnitas is done. I pull it out from the oven. You see it's more into depth or deep brown color. So now we start assemble. So I have here a tortilla already heated up. So you just add your meat. And then here I have pico de gallo. So if you want to know how I make it, I'm going to link how to make it in my channel. So check it out. It's really easy to make. Next, I want to put some avocado. There you go. And then the coriander over here, or the cilantro. If you want to add it, if you like it, you can add a little bit more because there is cilantro or coriander on the pico de gallo. But if you don't like it, you can completely skip it. And now, because I like spicy food, I'm gonna add jalapeno pepper. So you just add to your liking. And then last not least, lime juice. Just add a little bit. And then now, your carnitas taco ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe, it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.